Welcome to Camp Easy RV's YouTube channel, where we make it easy to RV.
Get ready to travel big in the 2025 Crossroads Zinger 340Rl. This destination-style travel trailer brings residential comfort wherever you park it. You've got a wide-body design, large panoramic windows, and a nice entry door for convenience. Power awning with LED lighting. Check. Solid construction and eye-catching graphics. Absolutely. Plus, tons of exterior storage for all your gear. Whether you're setting up at the lake or your favorite campground, this Zinger is built to feel like home from the moment you arrive. Step inside and wow, this feels like a full-on living space. The freestanding dinette is perfect for meals, game nights, or extra workspace. You've got comfortable residential style seating with plush couches, perfect for relaxing, entertaining, or even extra sleeping space. Enjoy your favorite shows on the large TV, paired with a cozy electric fireplace below. The bar-style counter with a deep sink gives you plenty of prep space and a modern, open feel. Quick and easy meals are a breeze with the built-in microwave. Cook like you're at home with a full size stove and oven, perfect for everything from quick bites to big meals. The large residential refrigerator offers tons of space for groceries. Making long stays comfortable and convenient. Check this out, a dedicated laundry room with washer and dryer prep, giving you true at-home convenience on the road. The spacious bathroom features a large shower, plenty of counter space, and storage for all your essentials. It's clean, comfortable, and designed for real living, not just camping. And finally, the private bedroom offers a true retreat. You've got a comfortable bed, wardrobe storage, and room to unwind after a long day. It's quiet, cozy, and exactly what you want at the end of the night.